Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to install the new Minecraft launcher, so let's get started. Start by clicking the search icon on your Windows taskbar and typing Microsoft Store. Open it, and wait for it to load. In the search bar at the top, type Minecraft Launcher, and press Enter. Once it appears in the results, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account. Click the profile icon in the top right corner. If you're not signed in, do that first. It's required to download the launcher. Next, scroll to the Minecraft launcher and click the Get button. The launcher is free and a Windows security pop-up may appear. Confirm it to continue. The download will begin automatically and should finish in a few minutes. Once it's done, the launcher will install right away. You can then open it from the store or by searching Minecraft Launcher from your desktop. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.